Municipality of Haniway. Origins and Spanish foundations. Haniway began as an island settlement formed by early Panay natives along the Swag River, relying on agriculture and river trade. It was officially established as a town in 1769 during the Spanish colonial period. Religious, cultural, and wartime history. The St. Julian of Cuenca Parish Church became the religious and cultural center of Haniway during the Spanish era. During World War II, parts of the original church and convent were destroyed, leaving behind historic ruins. Modern Haniway and heritage preservation. After the war, Haniwa rebuilt and developed into a first-class municipality. Today, is known for agriculture, heritage sites, and ecotourism attractions like the Mires Hills, Sierra Verde. Significant people and local heroes of Haniway. Dato Buhawi, a local chieftain of Yabon who accepted Spanish rule in 1738, aiding the formal organization of Haniway as a settlement. Dato Dumagtol, a native leader from Nervi Obian who resisted Spanish colonization, representing courage and early Filipino resistance. Significant people and local heroes of Haniway, Miguel Carod, and Augustinian Friar who oversaw the construction of the historic St. Julian of Cuenca Church 1830 to 1868, a major symbol of Haniway's heritage. Local farmers, weavers, and community leaders, unsung local heroes who sustained Haniway through agriculture, abaca weaving, and community leadership, shaping the town's identity and resilience. Geography. Haniway is a landlocked municipality located in central Iloilo, about 30 kilometers northwest of Iloilo City on the island of Panay. It is traversed by the Swagi River and Magapa River, which provide natural irrigation for farming and settlement. The town features fertile plains, rolling hills, and upland areas making it suitable for agriculture and ecotourism. Traditions, language, and community life. Haniway's cultures is rooted in Karaya, Kinaraya, and Hiligaynon traditions, reflecting its island Panay heritage. The people value family ties, bayanihan, community cooperation, and strong religious faith, centered on the parish church and town fiestas. Daily life is closely connected to farming, village life, and local customs passed down through generations. Festivals, arts, and local industries. Haniway celebrates the Sorong Festival every April, an eco-agri and cultural festival highlighting unity, history, and harvest traditions. The town is known for abaca weaving, promoted by local artisans such as the Toboran Abaca Handicraft Association, TAHA. Cultural expression include dance, music, crafts, and costumes inspired by agriculture and local history.